Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. I'm Jen. This is Just Jen's Things. These are the things that make me smile, and you guys, it is finally here, and I finally had a moment to actually unbox it. You all, this is a present for me that I'm so excited about. So my very, very good friend Kat, JD is my love bug, The Incredible Life of Kat. She went ahead and sent me a gift card for Valentine's Day. So thank you, Kat. So this is what I picked up, and it was like the Disney pre-launch, and it's finally here. And I'm so thankful, Kat. I'm so thankful. We went ahead and we sent each other presents for Valentine's Day. I sent her a care package. She sent me a gift card, and this is what I got with my gift card, you guys. I'm so happy. It's finally here. Okay, so well packaged. And now I have styrofoam everywhere. Okay, come on. This is a lot harder to get out than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, there we go. There's styrofoam everywhere, y'all. How am I gonna open this? So they have it completely taped. Okay. All right. Oh, there we go. This is so messy. If I remember, I will try and take a picture of the mess that it made. Oh my gosh. Kat, how did you get into yours? Oh my gosh. Maybe next time I should have scissors. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is... Robert's gonna be so mad. Yeah. It's snowing inside just as much as it is outside. I destroyed the box trying to get into it. Okay. I was really excited. I couldn't help it. Okay, guys. So it is the vanity mirror from the Disney collab, and I have just been waiting and waiting for a moment so that I could try to open this. I'm so excited. It is so pretty. It's so pretty, you guys. Okay, look how gorgeous. You guys can see like all of my, I'm gonna try and go like that. But it's so pretty. I never noticed the little like gemstone right here. And it has a white base. I thought it would be a mirror, but it's a lot heavier than I thought too. And it says Disney on it. How cute. Bath and Body Works, Disney Princess. I love this so much. I really wanted to set it. Let's see if you guys can see. I was gonna set it here, but it's not gonna fit between the two perfumes. So I am gonna have to rearrange my shelves, y'all. So I have a giant styrofoam snow mess to clean up, and I'll be back in a few minutes and we will play around with my shelves. All right, guys, stick around. Do you guys see this mess that I made? Rob is gonna be so mad at me. I was filming my Laura Geller haul, but there is styrofoam literally everywhere. Guys, I need to clean this up. Okay, guys, I thought I would do a voiceover for these clips of me rearranging my shelves to get the vanity display to actually fit on one of the shelves. So I bought these, and it's a 4-tier perfume shelf that the very top shelf, you can't put a Bath and Body Works mist on because then it's too tall for the actual height of the shelf. So I'm putting just my perfume bottles on them. So I'm sitting here trying to make enough room. You guys feel like, I don't know, maybe you guys feel like I have a super large mist collection that fills every single shelf. But I don't. My collection is still growing, so I always play around with my shelves and move things around, and I can display other decor items and things. So on this shelf, I have pushed to the side now, as you guys are watching, all of my mists that I would say are tropical. And then I also have the entire collection of the first release of the Everyday Luxuries line. So I'm pushing all of those to the right, so then I can go ahead and put in the 4-tier shelf for the perfume. So there might be some changes that you guys will see to the height, I guess, of my videos when I talk about my perfumes. And then if needed, I'll eventually get another display shelf. I bought 2 of them, but I might get more so that as the perfume collection grows, I can have more perfume all in one area. But this bookcase seems to be working out pretty well so far. It's 5 shelves. And then on the other side, off camera, I have a cube storage that I put all of the lotions and creams and candle holders that I keep upstairs in the loft. You guys never see that because it's always a mess. But now you guys can see kind of what I've done so that I could make room for the vanity display from the Disney Princess collection, and I am so excited. I was sitting here showing off the pickle that my emotional support pickle that Kat had made me and sent me. So up here, you guys, on this shelf, which is usually above my head, I have my perfume and more of my sprays. And then down here, guys, I went ahead and we'll get it to stop shaking in a minute. I went ahead and I put the vanity tray with jasmine, which is my favorite scent. My favorite princess, I would say, is Ariel, but this is my favorite scent. And then I have some more of my tropical, and I have my pocket backs. The jasmine pocket back and coin purse are actually on my purse. But you guys, that is my haul, my present from Kat for Galentine's Day. I am so excited. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. But you guys, I would love to know in the comments down below, what did you pick up from the Disney release? I am still obsessing, guys, about the Disney release. Is it just me? Because I cannot stop watching Disney release videos. And I also am really looking for a body care sale so that I can get the rest of my Jasmine collection. But let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.
They move too fast, honey, for pictures. Not me again.